a multifunctional flashlight from Wiha. It is equipped with a belt clip and a rubber power switch at the side. The head of the torch swivels into an L-shaped position. It is powered by 3 AAA batteries that are included into a set. The flashlight can be magnetically attached to a metal surface. The features are 2 lighting levels of a standard light, 100 and 310 lumens, UV light for technical inspections, and a Class 2 laser pointer. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.